Morning everyone, and welcome to my world again. Today I'm going to do an unboxing. This is okay, firstly, Malaysia, a very sunny country. The sun shines every day of the year, and when I say shine, brightly shine. And when you park your car in the outdoor, it will make your car very hot because the sun can come through the windshield. So what I bought was this windshield protector, or windshield cover, or windshield screen, or windshield shade, as you want to call it. So let's make a quick one and open it up and try to install it, because when I bought it online, it says that it just took about a few minutes to be installed and ready to use. So let's do this. Let's take it off. Of course, it's from China. I used to have one before, but the ones that I had before was the rolling type, which got busted a few weeks ago. So here it is. Inside there you have this. Look at that. Oh, here is a fan type. The one that I bought before was a rolling type, but this one I guess will work. So how does it work? So they also provide you with all of these fittings and suction cups. Is there an instruction manual inside there? Nope. So I guess we have to figure it out by ourselves. So this one goes like so. Okay. So I got it. So let's see whether it fits. Oh, it's a little bit small for my windscreen. Well, should have bought the big one. So I guess this one is temporary, and yeah, temporary, and we're gonna get a bigger one next time. Well, my mistake. So what do we do with this? So with the hooks here, they have a little holes there where you can slide the suction cups in. Yep. Now I know why they do not provide us with a user manual or instruction manual, because it is so easy to be understood unless you are a 3 years old person. So this one should be on your left. Yeah, let's put it on. Guess I have to slide a little of my seat a little bit there. So this one should be. So let's make sure that when you install it, I think it's best to wipe your windshield clean so that the suction cups will stick to your windshield like glue. Okay, so you get like one of these wet tissues, and you just wipe all of the sediments and the old spots where you install your old windshield screen. Or if you haven't had, if this is your first time, you might want to get rid of dirt and glues and all of those things, so that the suction cup will stick well to your windshield. Okay, so that's it. So my tips to you, if you would like to install this, is make sure that you open it up and oops, whoop, I got it stuck there. I got it cleaned too much that it stuck too well. Okay, so woo, it's got stuck again. So just be careful and just make sure that it clears from your rear view glass. Yeah, rear view glass. Okay, and then you just stick the part over there. Uh-oh. Well, I thought that this is going to be a short unboxing, but it isn't, because when I wipe it with the wet tissue, the windscreen got too wet and the suction cup just slides off. So after you have wiped your windscreen with the wet tissue, you might want to use a cloth and wipe dry your windscreen so that your suction cup will not slide off. Okay, alright, one more time. Still got some leftovers liquid from the wet tissue on the suction cup. So yeah, so I guess that's gonna be good. Just press your suction cup on your left, and you got one more over here. This is going to be your hook. Okay, that's gonna hook this over there when you pull, when you want to cover your windshield. So what I suggest is you hook this on your shield, and you pull it right to where you intended you want the windshield to cover, while avoiding this rear view mirror. Okay, did I say glass just now? Yes, it's rear view mirror, and make sure that it's straight and you press the suction cup there. Okay, so I got it too small. Well, my mistake. Gonna buy a bigger one next time. See, I got like another 6 inches to be covered, and it's not straight, I guess. I got to make it just lower it a bit down here. Yeah, oops. Okay, it's up here like there. Is it straight enough? Yes. Okay, yeah, just press the suction cup so that it sticks well. So there we are. It's much shaded now, right? It's much darker now, and it really helps when you park your car in the outdoor. So what you do when you want to keep it, you just unhook. Oh, okay. You just unhook it and you just slide it there and let it stick like so. So when you keep it, does it? Okay, I think I got it right there. And yes, there you are. So with that, I'll see you next time in my other vlogs. Cheerio!